down to the pool right now. I mean, there's like 10 different pools on property, but we're gonna go explore a little bit. There's only 4 people allowed per elevator. So we have to like, it's kind of weird. We have to make sure that we don't crowd people and wait for the next one. Oh, so cute! Wait, take pictures of me, even though I look silly. Okay, so update. We tried to go to the pool, but there were so many people there. Like, it just made us uncomfortable. It was too crowded. We just didn't feel like we'd be safe at a safe enough distance. So what we're gonna do instead today is we're gonna go try to get some lunch because we're getting hungry anyway. So the timing just worked out. Okay, so let me tell you guys something, a little secret about Vegas, okay? This restaurant is located in the Miracle Mile shops of Planet Hollywood, and it is called Ocean One. It is by far the best hidden gem that you will ever find in Las Vegas. And you know how much we go to Vegas. You know how much we know about it. I'm not exaggerating. We are here at lunch, okay? Anytime until 5 p.m. The menu is freaking $5. Let me show you this. Menu, $4.99. There's not even any other prices on here because literally everything on this menu is $4.99, guys. I am not joking. And look at the stuff they have. Okay, they've got wraps. They've got a burger that is so good. Buffalo chicken, chicken club, mahi sandwich. They've got bone-in chicken breast, grilled salmon, which is so good, guys. Steak. They have pasta. This is literally the best pasta here. And I always get it, of course, without the chicken. If you do not go to Ocean One, you are wasting your money, guys. It's not even just that it's like cheap. It is so good. The quality of the food is incredible. The ambiance of the restaurant is super nice. And they have a deal for drinks. It is 3 for $10. You get 3 cocktails for $10. They do not skimp out on the alcohol. Like, they're not light pourers. Like, you're not getting ripped off. Definitely check this place out. Guys, when I tell you that they don't skimp on these drinks, yo, we're lit right now. I don't know. I might post it. I might not post it.
How to get it through there?
You have to try and get it through, yeah. Whoa. What? What the heck? Crazy. How did you even do that? Good morning, everybody. This is our second day here in Las Vegas on our anniversary trip getaway. We are checking out of the Venetian this morning and we are going over to the Bellagio for the last 3 of our nights here. So I will definitely give you a room tour of that one. So here we go. This is our room at the Bellagio. We have digital key, which I think is really cool that MGM is doing. So we go here, and we go like this. Hello. Hello. So, we have a nice grand entrance here. A nice full-size mirror, and I can see my husband is sitting over there. Wave, babe. So that's nice. Right here, immediately to the right, is the bathroom.
we go back out here. So here's the room. Very cute, cute little designs. We've got TV, which this is pretty cool. It's got HDMI hookup, and we have a cable that can connect to our phone, and we can go on Netflix and Hulu and stream a bunch of stuff, so that's cool. This cool little dresser thing, a nice desk, which also has more outlets right here. There they are. And this beautiful view. The pools are so pretty. I mean, just look at those designs. They're so beautiful. So we're definitely gonna go there pretty soon. The sun sets right beyond those mountains, so we're gonna get apparently a really gorgeous sunset here, and I think that'll be so cool. Over there's the Cosmopolitan. I stayed there for my bachelorette. That was fun. It's beautiful.
These elevators are gorgeous. Guys, check out this elevator area. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is so hot here. It's so hot. There is no breeze. Like, it's extremely dry, hot heat. Like, I mean, I think it's 115 today, and it's hitting me different. Like, I go out there and it just slaps you in the face with heat, and then you come inside and you're like, yes, the AC, but then your body's like, it's weird to go from straight heat to straight cold, and man, it's crazy. It's been really fun though. We were exploring the Bellagio. They have their beautiful garden set up with like these really cool designs, and I took video of it, and their hallways are gorgeous. Like, the halls are so beautiful. The pools are so breathtaking. Just like the walkway with like arches of greenery and beautiful like fountains, and it's just gorgeous. So definitely cannot wait to hit the pool. I'm just like, I need to get off my feet. Oh my god, my feet. Damn. I knew my feet were hurting, but I didn't know they were actually like hurt. Oh god, Vegas. Hello. Today is day 3, and today is actually 1 year from our wedding day. Like, this is literally our anniversary. We are on our way right now to Mandalay Bay to go to Shark Reef. They are open. They have the aquarium open, so we want to go there and just kind of see it. I've never been to Shark Reef.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see.
When I was a kid.
So we're gonna see some sharks.
Some reefs.
Some sharks and some reefs, that's guaranteed. This morning we got to go to our pool, which was so nice, so relaxing. It was very easy to keep a really safe, like more than enough distance from people. And yeah, it was awesome. It was so relaxing, and it was nice, I guess, to just kind of feel normal for a little bit.
Yeah.
Because we didn't have to wear our masks for once. It's a little eerie going to Mandalay Bay. I have actually never been inside of Mandalay Bay, and then, you know, I think it was Route 95, the terrible massacre happened from the window of a Mandalay Bay room. And so it's kind of eerie to me now, but we're just going to go to the aquarium. That's it. I don't feel like I'll ever be able to stay here. Catch you guys later.
Later.
Why would you be